small but smart project that helps us stay safe by detecting people nearby and giving a warning sound. How it works? The system uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect if someone comes close. When it senses a person, it turns on a buzzer to give a loud warning sound. It is powered by a battery and controlled by an Arduino board, which acts like the brain of the project.
Components used: ultrasonic sensor to detect motion, someone coming near to us, and Arduino board to control the system, the breadboard to connect all the components, and the buzzer to make the alarm sound, and the connecting wires to join everything together, and the battery to give power, and A to B cable to connect Arduino to the computer for programming, and battery audio jack cable to connect the battery easily to the Arduino.
Why it is useful? It helps us to know if someone is near our door, window or drawer. It teaches us how real security alarm works. It's a cool way to learn electronics and coding. Where it can be used: home security at the main door or windows, school lockers or bags, toilet if someone touches our stuff, science labs to protect equipments, personal boxes, cabinets for safety. Conclusion: the mini security system is a fun and helpful project that uses sensor, sound and coding to keep things safe. It's simple to build and great way to learn how technology works to protect us. Thank you for listening. I am happy to show how it works and answer my questions. Thank you.
Thanks.